Here's a challenge from AidenZika on SolidWorks Reddit. How does he model this? Let's go. I'm just going to put that image off to the side. And he said he had a lot of trouble with fillets and how to model this middle section. There's 3 elements here, 2 cylinders, a section along the middle. I think all the dimensions are there. Let's give it a go. We'll start with the top plane view and we'll put the circle that we know on the origin. 45, 70, that's going up 60. All right, and then the second one on the right plane. I might have to come back and dimension this probably later. It's a weird dimension here. See if it works, I guess. And it is 30 mil offset from the middle, 90 across. 90, one direction, offset, 30, done. Okay, last section, top plane, draw this shape. Let's assume they're tangent and just want to see where the inside shape lies, which is there. Are these parallel? I guess we'll find out. So just setting them up to be tangent. Let's set them up to be parallel. Fillets are a bit ugly, but okay. Both 80. 120 to the sharp of that first one. So let's measure that first actually. 120. And everything's looking fully defined, so that's pretty good. Close off this shape, close off this shape. There we go. There's our sketch. And it's going up 20 millimeters mid-plane. All right, that looks pretty good. And then the rest of it is fillets, 3 millimeters, all blue fillets. And what's her name? AidenZika. The way to do fillets here with something that's consistent like this, as long as the geometry works for it, is do them all in one go. We're going to do this face. We're going to do this face. We're going to do this face. And I think that's going to cover everything for you. I can't see one on that inside curve there, but I think it's there. So I'll just get that one as well. Take off these faces. I don't want that internal radius, so I'll just go on the outside. I think that looks pretty good. If we want to double check, we can click on a fillet. We can go to appearances. We can add an appearance just to that fillet feature. I'm going to match what you've got here with pink. And we're done. Hope that was helpful. Subscribe, like, follow for more. Thanks, mate. See ya.